about online businesses like this, you will be an informed person to be able to contribute to this. All right. So good evening, everybody, one more time. We are recording already. All right. Today is day 3. Today is day 3, and we will be doing a bit of practical. I hope I will not leave many of you behind today, because we will be doing something practical. Fortunately, I have also sent something to all the group chats, telling us how this can be done also, plus video and steps to do it. I've already sent it to your group chats, and so you can fall back to that. But today, we will be looking at the MT4, Metatrader4. Metatrader4, as we said yesterday, is that platform where all your trading will be consummated, what you are going to be using. So it is available on your cell phone, it is available on your laptop, on your iPad, on your desktop. It is available, iPhone, whatever. And it is free, okay? Beautiful, it is free. You can also have a demo account. That is, they will give you dollars for free, even though you can't use it for yourself. You can put it in your own account, which you can trade with. And you can practice with it over and over and over. The opportunity that you have tonight is that you are seeing that platform. Even if I may not have enough time to wait for all of you to have it downloaded on your phone, what you have a recorded video of what I'm going to teach, that you can go back to it and then slowly follow the steps that I'm going to take you through right now. It's going to be practical because I want to get your hands dirty. If there is time before we close today, we might even take a trade. We might even take a trade. So let's quickly go. And don't get lost. I know I'm going to drag as many of you along with me. Don't get lost in the bush. Follow me. We are going to pass through some places that you are not familiar with shortly. You know, when you are taking through some places that is not your route, and it's like you are looking around, what is happening here? It might be like that for some of you tonight. But don't worry, I'll take you to the destination, and then just try and have a memory of where we are going through. You will have the video to help you to come back and review it. All right. Are we ready? If we are ready, can we type 111, 111, 111? If we are ready, just type 111. Whose network is not okay here? Whose network is that? Someone's network is not okay. All right. All right, all right, all right. I'm still expecting some of my friends to join me. I want to believe their root is in the house tonight. Mr. Kabir, I can see that you are there. Well done, sir. All right, now let's go. Let me share my screen. We will come out and be doing some other things shortly. Let me just go through the theory parts. The theory parts of this. I hope it will not hang. I'm trying to get it opened here. What's happening? Okay. Just hold on for me. Let me just see what is happening there. Why is it not coming up? All right, it's up. Why is it not coming up? Uh-oh. Where are you? Okay. Don't worry. Some forces, they cannot hold us back tonight. We will not allow them. All right, let's go. It's MT4 practical class that we'll be doing tonight. what shall we be doing? We are going to look at how to download and install MT4 on your phone. We'll look about smartphone. We'll try and see if we can also take you through how to do it on your laptop or your desktop. Then we will be looking at how you can manipulate on the MT4. What are the things that you can do on the MT4? How to add currency, how to open an account. We will be practical in those areas, okay? And then we will see if we can take a trade. We can take a trade. All right. All right. Let's start with Metatrader4. I mentioned this to you yesterday. This is what your broker is going to avail to you if you are going to be trading. You can download it straight from the Play Store. We are going to do that shortly right now. I'll take you through the steps by step how to download it. And then you will need to also open an account with a broker, because you need the platform of a broker to be able to do your trading, okay? And then we will take us through the trading decisions. What are the things that you need to know for you to take a trade? We talked about it yesterday. We will talk more about it today. We will see the 6 key items that you must have understanding for you to have great confidence in your trading. Okay. So let's go. How do we install Metatrader4 on our cell phone? How do we do that? I'm going to switch to my phone. I'm going to switch to my phone to see if we can. Uh-oh. What does that mean? I thought this phone is also. Mr. Popola, are you there? Let's see. Mr. Popola, if you are there, I need to make my phone a co-host so that I can be able to share it. Then if you are there, please do that for me now. I saw it already. I saw it earlier on that it was a co-host. Don't know what happened again. Why did it go off? Just a second for me, gentlemen. Just 1 second for me. I had done this before. I don't know why it went off again. I need to connect my phone. Without it, I won't be able to show you what this is. So just give me a few seconds. Please. All right, we are back. Let's quickly do this. What I want to do, I want to share my screen. I want to share my screen, and the process of downloading your MT4 on your phone. You need to go to your Play Store. That's the first step. I believe I see a Play Store on this thing. Yes, that's Play Store there. So you go to your Play Store, you click. If you are using iPhone, you know what to do, where you get your apps from. Search for Metatrader4, because I've done this over and over again. is showing there already. And so what do you see? I did Metatrader, not metal. There's no L there. Metatrader4. Okay. Once you have, you pick it, then you will install it onto your phone. For me, because I already installed Metatrader4 on this phone, it's telling me to open it. But for you, it will ask you to install. So you install it on your phone. And I know some of you will also have the challenge that it will take forever to install because you do not have enough space on your phone. So you might need to create space for it to land. All right. You need to create space to delete some unnecessary items in your phone, give it room so that your MT4 can land. All right. Once you have installed it, what you need to do thereafter is for you to register with a broker. Remember yesterday we talked about broker. Who is a broker? There's an institution under whose platform you are going to be riding on to trade in the international financial market. Okay, so you need to register with one of them, and who you choose is your choice. If you know any one of them, you can register with any one of them. We have those ones that we work with over years, maybe based on relationship, based on due diligence, we have also done. So we have some of those ones that we work with. But tonight, the first thing is that you install MT4. That is short for Metatrader4, MT4 on your phone. All right. Good that you have a broker. Very good. All right. So you install it. Then you now go to your MT4. Let me go to my own MT4. Let me open my MT4. Okay. I'm going to see if I can. I had opened one before, honestly. I several every week in my training. But let me just take you through the opening process. The process you do to install MT4 will take you to this page, the default page on MT4. But if you want to register with a broker, you now need to go through this process. I want you to listen to what I'm going to say now. If you look at the top left corner, you see 3 bars there where we have quotes. There's a 3 bar there. If you click it, it will show you this page where you have manage account at the top. If I click that manage account, it is going to go to a page for me to register with a broker. So I click plus. I click plus. It tells you open a demo account or log into an existing account. If you have already registered with a broker and you want to add that account to this, so you log in there. If I click log into an existing account, it would ask me which broker do I want to log into. So if you have any broker you have opened account with before, just type the name of that broker, find broker there. Type the name there, it will come up. I'm telling you, it will come up. You will look for the server which they are putting on, because most brokers, they have several servers. You must be careful which server have they advised you that you are on. So you click onto that server. You will put in your login details and your password, and you'll be there. But because we want to do a demo account today, I'm going to click on open a demo account. Then it will also tell me to find a broker. Which broker do I want to open a demo account with? I work with Infinox, so I'm going to open an account with Infinox Capital, and it will tell me all the demo account they have. You can see they have demo, BHS, all these ones. I will prefer the first one. I'm going to pick the first one, okay? I take the first one, then it will open for me. Now, because I had registered before, it's showing me my name, my phone number, my email. For you, you might need to now put your own details there. Your name, your phone number, your email. Then on the account information, If you click it, you will see so many things that will drop down. I click on that thing. You see FX, STP, USD, STP, Euro, STP, GBP. Then you have ECN, USD. So basically, there are two types of accounts they have here, STP and ECN. STP means standard account, and ECN is another version of an account, okay? And they are in all those currency. You will be trading in dollar, okay? So you can choose either STP or ECN in dollar. I've chosen STP in dollar. Now, the leverage, remember yesterday, I mentioned to us that your broker will give you a leverage that you can trade with. And that leverage practically means that it's like they are advancing onto you credits, to trade with. So you might come in with, as I said yesterday, $100. But depending on the leverage you choose, it can magnify the capacity of your trading. I will also advise you, don't take too high leverage. What we normally tell people, take 1 to 200, okay? Leverage 1 to 200. Some people will say leverage 1 to 100, okay? In fact, in some countries, you cannot do more than leverage 1 to 50, all right? Now, in terms of deposit, let's choose the minimum amount there. It is, I click it and you can see the drop down, 3,000. If you are going to be using your laptop, it might actually allow you to have lower than this, okay? Then you just click create an account. I click create an account. And then it goes there. You can see here, this page here, you might need to record this information. Either you screenshot it or you write it down quickly somewhere. Write this information, especially your login number. This one is 1000056390. The password there, you write it down somewhere because you might need it later to be entering your account. But if you forget it, if you don't delete it on your phone, it is there every time. So it is done. I click done. And it's going to open my account for me now. My account is opening. And so it has given me this page of my account where it has the quotes of currencies that these are the default one. Now you can add more. If you count here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think about 10 pairs of currency. We don't even have commodities there. We don't have gold there. But you can add anything you want to trade with on this page. If you look at the plus at the top there, that plus, don't worry, I know most of you cannot do it as I'm doing it. Just come back later to look at it, okay? Click on that plus, and you have all the instruments, all the products that this broker is offering that you can trade on. So more of if I click Forex Major, there are more currencies there. As I click it, it's disappearing here. You see Euro USD there. If I click it, it disappears. Where is it going? It's going to my main page. I click on GBP USD, it's going to my main page. I don't want to trade in Hong Kong dollars, so I'm going to leave that one. I want to trade in USD JPY. I click it, has gone. There are more in Forex minor. Okay, you can see some other currencies there. Anyone you like, just click it. As you click, it's going to your main page. Now, let's also see. Do I want to trade in gold? I click on gold. Gold against dollar. I click on it. It is going to my main page. Do I want to trade in silver? I click on silver. Silver against dollar. I click, it is gone. Oil. Do I want to trade in oil? If they have whatever oil that they are trading in, I can choose it. It will go to my main page. What about commodities? What do I want to trade in? Do I want to trade in coffee, cocoa, cotton, copper, gas, orange juice, soya beans, sugar, wheat? What is it that you want? Whatever your broker has, you pick it, and as you pick it, where is it going? It's going to your main page. Now, see my main page now. All those items that I've just chosen, they are showing here now. See, you see gold, you see silver, you see cocoa, you see coffee, you see soya beans, wheat. So now I can trade on these commodities. All right. So this is how you add to this. This is how you add to your main page. This is the page where we call the market watch. All right. And then if you look at the bottom of that screen, you will see some other things. So what you do at your own convenience, just play with them. The next one there is where you have the charts. You can see the charts on whatever currency or commodities that you are trading in. See the chart. That is a live chart you are looking there. You see the graph showing. Yesterday, I talked to you about candlesticks. That's the candlestick forming there. You see candlestick forming because price is going down from where it started from. You see it's showing red. If price was going up from where it started from, it will have been showing blue. Okay, so it's going down and it's showing that the price is falling. And I said yesterday, when price is falling, what should you do? You should be selling. You should be selling. All right. Anyway, that is, you can review that again. And then the third one, the third thing down there, if I click it, it shows me the page where I can take my trade. This is every live trade I have will be showing here. I don't have any trade right now. Remember, I've just opened this account. I don't have any trade here. But if I want to take a trade, if I go to the top right there, that plus there, it tells me if I want to take a trade, this is showing me GBP USD. Okay, you can change that to whatever that you want. You can change those the currency to whatever that you want and trade here. We will talk about those trading shortly. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, this is how so when we are talking about the market, this is the market. Right here on my hand is where the market is, and you are seeing it. You see, market is changing. People are buying, people are selling. So whatever that you are doing, this is where you do it, right in your palm, and you can trade. Now, we might not have sufficient time to go into the nitty-gritty. Ruth, my friend, you said that you hold on. You are lost. Where? Tell me, where are you lost? Where are you lost? Where? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Where are you? Are you still in Enugu? I just registered. Where did you just register? Where? Register where? MT4. Yeah, don't worry. Don't bother yourself to do as I'm doing right now because I'm going to be fast. Okay? What I want you to do is come back later and review this on your video, okay? And use it because time will be against us. Normally, if you are going to do this, we need 2 hours alone just to practice this. 2 hours. Okay? If you didn't screenshot your password, if you want to see that password again, let me show you what you need to do. See this page? Did you see that writing at the top there, at the top right? If you click it, hey, where is that? No, not that place. I think it's here. Oh my, there's somewhere there that, hold on. Manage account. Yes, manage account. Here, where it tells you whether you can change password. It is not here. Sorry. I know there's somewhere there you can see, but I can't remember it right now. Okay? I know there's somewhere there you can see, but I can't remember right now. But I will tell you in the group chat. If you want to see that page where I said you screenshot, I will tell you again. All right? Now, let's do something. When you want to take a trade, I'm just going to show this one. When you want to take a trade, you pick whatever trade you want to take. Let's say you want to trade in cocoa. You can see the price of cocoa right there in front of you. Cocoa, there are 2 rows there, columns there. The first one there is the buying price, and the second one is the selling price. So if you are trading, this is what the market is offering you through your broker. And you can see the spread. There is a spread somewhere there, you see spread 50. Okay, you see spread there. That is the cost of the trading that you'll be doing. Someone say you are new. If you are new today, you have to go back and review what we did in the last 2 days, then come back, and today probably will make sense to you. All right. I told you, some of you, you can't see spread, sir. Who said you can't see spread? Look at the spread. Look at cocoa and look under it. You see the time there, 20, 29, 37 seconds, and see spread 50. Did you see it now? Say yes if you see it. Say yes if you see it. Quickly, quickly. Yes, fantastic. You see the spread there. That is the spread. Now, the spread is the difference between the buying and the selling. Okay, that's the 50. That is the spread. Now, if you are buying, let's say you want to trade in cocoa. I'm going to click on cocoa for 1 second, and this will come up. This is going to show. And it's telling me to take a new order. I click on new order. What do I want to do? Do I want to buy? Do I want to sell? Depending on the decision I make, and that decision will have been taken before I even get to this page. I should have analyzed the trade I want to take. I'm going to go take you through that process shortly. Analyze the trade you want to take before you come in. Now, all the things that we mentioned yesterday are now going to go on to this trade. Number one, you see where it's flashing there? That is where your lot size is going to be. Remember, yesterday we said the lot size is that will determine the amount of profit or loss you are going to incur in your trade. That is plus your pips, if you remember. So, and I told you, when you start to trade, don't be too bullish. That means don't be too aggressive. Okay? Trade with minimum lot size. I normally tell you 0.01, 0.01. Let me see. 0.01. Oh, sorry, Cocoa does not have 0.01. Sorry. Cocoa, the minimum lot size for Cocoa trading is 0.1. All right, 0.1. But if you are trading currencies, you can amend that lot size and change it to the lot size that you are comfortable with. All right. Then, so take the stop loss. You see on this red line is where your stop loss will be. Olamilekon, I cannot open for you to speak. I'm sorry. We have limited time. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Your stop loss will be on the red line and your take profit will be on the green line. Okay. Then, depending on the choice of the strategy they're using to enter into this trade, you can use what we call market execution. Instantly, you like the price. For example, the price the market is offering is $2,388.9. That is what the market is buying. $2,393.9 is what the market is selling. So depending on what you want to do, you will take, if you click sell, that means you are picking the buying price of the market. You know, when you are selling, that means the market, when you are buying, the market is selling to you. Okay? If you click to buy, that means you are picking the selling price of the market. All right. So whatever you choose to do, you will click. If you choose instant execution, if I choose, I will just take sell or buy. Sell or buy. If I don't want to, if I want another way to go in by negotiating with the market, then I come to do buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. This one, you have to go and read it yourself, okay? It takes a full class to explain this one. But it will tell you the strategy, your entry strategy into your trading. You might not want the market price. You want a different price. So this will guide you to do that, all right? Okay. So once that is done, if I click, for example, if I click the I'm buying, oh, no, don't worry, it's the network. The market is still open. Don't let that thing fool you. coffee, if I say I'm buying, network, don't worry. The market is still open. The market has not closed. That happens sometimes. But normally it will go into the market and then it will pick you. And your market, your trade is active in the market. Ruth, how do you start? We have gone through that process of how do you start. You cannot get everything straight. Just listen to me, okay? Don't worry. Listen to this. All right. So let me come out of here. Let me come out of here. Okay. Now, I understand that this process, you want to follow me as I am going, but it is practically impossible for me to tick one thing and then you want to tick it, do that at your own spare time, okay? And then if you have any challenge, you can send these things to me. But in the advanced class, because we have enough time, that is where we go into the nitty-gritty so deep. Okay, someone says here, it says, if the network, can we do the market? When do the market close? Market close on Fridays, Nigerian time, I think, depending on the whether we are in summertime or winter time, around 10 or 11 o'clock in the night on Friday. Market opens in Nigeria around 10 or 11 o'clock on Sunday night. So Friday night, market close. That is for Forex. There are some, for example, cryptocurrencies do 24/7. They don't close in cryptocurrency. You can trade on Sunday for cryptocurrency. Can one buy different products at the same time? Yes, Empress, if you choose to. But yesterday, I told you, there's no point having to trade in everything when you could not master any one of them. Do you understand? So your Metatrader4, as I've just shown you, is a platform where those trading will take place. Aris, you're asking me how you get the previous lesson. Is today your first time? It is there in the group chat. Where can I register, please? I have sent it to the group chat. You can see it. James, Ijalija, I have sent it. Go to the group chat. You will see how you can register. You say, I don't understand stop loss and take profit. We did it yesterday. We did stop loss yesterday. All right. So how do we start? I've already changed my password. Ruth, we can't take that one on this call. Gabriel, it is not me that went to the group. How did you get here in the first place if you are not in the group chat? You came in through the back door. All right, now let's quickly finish this. Let me just do another 10 minutes and finish this so that we will know. So simply, you choose a broker, you open a demo account, and then we have what we call a trading decision. This is just one, but let me tell you the real trading decision that you should know. Number one, we talked about this part of this yesterday. You want to know what is that thing that you are going to be trading in. If you are trading in currency, what currency pairs are you going to be trading in? You need to know that one. It's a decision that you will take. It is only you that will choose what you want to trade in. If you are not trading in currency, you are trading in commodities. You will choose the commodity. Is this soya beans? But I have told you, maybe when you have just started, you can be playing with them as you understand them. But ultimately, when you want to put your money to start trading, you must understand the item that you are trading in. If you are trading in gold, you must know what made gold to go up and what made the price of gold to come down. So that you don't go into a trading blindly, because the market will deal with you, especially if you start to use your own fund. Okay? So that's why you must necessarily practice with a demo account. Spend, depending on how fast you are, minimum of 1 month. My recommendation is 2 months. practice with the demo account. Make all the errors and all the things that all your own strategy on your demo account. Once you start understanding how it works, you can then put small amount of money. Remember my quotes to you, start small. Don't load your account on your first trade with $1,000. You might lose it, especially if you have not done enough practice on your demo account. The next thing is, once you have taken a decision as to what you are going to be trading in, the next thing is whether at that time you want to trade, is it ready for a buy or for a sell? Will you be buying? And you know, someone might be buying, usually another person might be selling. It depends on what you see. It depends on what you see. Another person will be seeing the same chart and is saying that this is a buy. Another person is seeing the same chart and is saying this is a sell. Okay, so it depends on what you are seeing. But based on whatever you have been taught and the strategy that you are adopting, you will take a decision whether you are buying or you are selling. Even after you have taken a decision, and remember what we said, currency pairs, remember what we said, when you are buying, buy low, sell high, okay? You buy when price is low, you sell when price is high. Mr. Popola told us about support and resistance as well. What do you do as support? Oh, you are going to buy as support and you sell at resistance. Now, some of you, you are in that part of the bush right now that you don't know what we mean by support and resistance. Don't worry. It is those areas, those corners that you are not familiar with. But if you spend just that 2 weeks in that next class, you will understand. But even if you don't, you can go and read more about support and resistance. There are so many materials, free materials, that you can have access to, that you can read it. Then the price action, where I mentioned to you yesterday, the candlesticks. How candlesticks carry information that tells you what to do. It tells you when the markets open, at what price the market opened, at what price the market has closed within a particular hour, and what is the highest price it has gone to, what is the lowest price it went to. And then you have that information over a period of time. It guides you, okay? And a single candlestick carry information whether the market is very active or the market is slowing down. Or it tells you who is in charge at that hour. Is it the buyers or is it the seller? Who are more in the market? Okay, so this, who is still with me? I hope you are still here. Are we still all here? Tell me if you are still with me. Yes, yes, yes or no. Who is still here? Let me see. Daniel is still with me. Fantastic. Chris is with me. Who are the people still in the bush? Where are they? Where are they? Ruth, are you here or you are still in the bush? My friend, where are you? Ruth, you are angry. Don't worry. We will come together again. Now, let's round up on this one. Let's round up on this one. As I told you, today is just to show you the possibility, to tell you how it is done. It is not a 1 hour thing. It's just to show you how it is done. All right? All right. Now, also, we told you buy low, sell high. Don't let me confuse anybody here. Support is the floor. Resistance is the ceiling. Support is when price reach a particular price level. It reach a particular price level. Every time it comes to that level, it bounces up. Every time it comes to that level, it bounces off. We call it a support or a floor. It's like when you throw down a ball, it touches the ground, it goes up. It goes up. And when you bounce it, if it hits the top again, a resistance, a ceiling, it bounces back again. So we are operating within support and resistance. But also what happened is that price can break through a resistance or break down through a support, depending on the force which it was applied. You will understand this All right. And then we talk about trend in the market. What do we mean by trend? Upward trend is when price is going up, but price don't go up in a straight line. How do price go in trading? It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. We call it wave. Okay. If you see here, it doesn't just go. So you are going to be seeing a lot of red and blue or green, whatever the color you are choosing. Go up and down, go up and down. And when it is going up, even though it is going up and down, you can see that it is showing, it is moving upward. Look at this. This is a low. It went high. It came low, but this low is not as low as the first low. When it bounces up again, it goes higher than this high. So we said uptrend is higher high and higher low. So when price is moving up, you are going to be seeing it going up and down. But even in that movement, there is a higher high and higher low. If price is coming down, the opposite happens. Who is still there with me? Questions? Just hold on. I want people to have full value today. I want you to have full value today. And I talked about this one, instant execution, where the price decision you are taking, whether you want to enter now. If the market price is good for you, boom, you enter at that level. But if the market, even the market is low, you want to trade, you want to buy, the market is low, the price is low. But you are still thinking, this price can still go lower. So what do? You do what we call a buy limit. Or if you are selling, the price is already high, but you still believe that this price can still go higher. Then what do? You do a sell limit. So you indicate in your Metatrader4 that I am doing a buy limit. I am not taking this price that this market is offering right now. But if the market goes to this level, I will sell. Or the market comes down to this level, I will buy. Okay? It's like you go to the market, whatever market that you operate in, and you are angling, you are bargaining with the person that you are trading with. Okay? So you are giving that person, no, I can't buy at this price. If the price comes to this level, I will deal. That is what you are telling this market. This is the running price. You say, if the price comes to this level, I will buy. Now, if the price did not come to this level, it means your trading will not be activated. All right? Your trading will not be activated. Okay. What else do you need to know? Stop loss. We talked about stop loss yesterday. We talked about take profit is just the opposite of stop loss. Stop loss is where that price that you put, in case your trading did not go in your direction, you want to sell. When you are selling, what are your expectation is that you want price to come down. When you are selling, you want price to come down. But if price did not come down, price start to go up. What it means is that your trade is going into a loss. Now, it is possible for it to go up slightly and then still come down. Because as we said, price does not go in a straight line. It goes up and down, up and down. So you give it a little bit of room, but you have indicated, look, if this loss reach this level, I'm not interested in this trade again. Please close my trade for me. So that will help you to manage your money. We are going to spend a whole day on Friday, by the grace of God, to talk about money management. Lot sizes, we talked about it yesterday. We cannot repeat that today because of time. All right, this is the stop loss I just explained to you. We talked about PIP yesterday. No, if you do not understand it, go to the video of yesterday and see we talk about lot size yesterday. I'm sure you remember that. In a buy trade, your stop loss is below your entry price. Okay? You enter into a trade. So your stop loss, we are not doing calculation today. Your stop loss is below your entry price. If it's a sell, your stop loss is above your entry price. Now, some of you are like, I don't understand anything this man has said today. It is because today is your first time of hearing it. As you turn to this road again, frequently, as you come here regularly, if you listen to this video again, if you have the opportunity, and I'm telling you, if you have the opportunity, you to be in the advanced class, please be. Why? You see this 1 week basic class, the idea is a lot of people will come with different expectations. You can see that yesterday, I mean on day one, we have about 350 people in the house. Now, after day one, day two, some people realize that, oh no, I can't do this. And what happens? They won't come again. It's normal. It's every time it happens. They won't come again. After today, for example, some people already made up their mind that, this one is not for me. And I have people that have said this every time. Benga, you say you are still interested. I celebrate you, my brother. You are still interested even after all these things I've said tonight. That's awesome. Dara is still interested. Who are the buyers? Buyers, okay, who are the buyers? Buyers are people that buy in the market. We call them the bulls, okay? All right, now, just to round up, I'm picking your interest, honestly. There is no way in 1 week, based on the curriculum we put together, that you will have 100% understanding, especially if you are just doing this for the first time. Okay. Now, but if what we have said really piqued your interest, and you think you want to know this, you think this is something that maybe people have been making it look difficult for you in the past, and somehow we have presented it to you right now, and you can see that, oh, I can do this. I encourage you to come to that advanced class. We call it advanced class. Why? Because after that 2 weeks, you will be able to take a trade. Mr. Popola, are you there, sir? Are you there, sir? I wanted to show, okay, just 1 second. Let me just show you what happened in the advanced, in one of the group chats today. Let me just show you something. Just 1 second. Just hold on. Everybody, hold on. I'm going to my, what do you call that thing that we, WhatsApp, my WhatsApp page. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? What's up? This thing will not allow me to go out, I beg. You know, sometimes you believe that there are some people that are watching you when you want to do certain things. Like this is something you do every time, every day, so easily. Now it refused to come up. It refused to come up. Oh my God. Hey. All right, no wala. Okay, I want to just show you a discussion in the ongoing professional class. Something happened that they were all wondering what happened in the market because we were already taking a trade. They saw the market went haywire today. Everything was just going up and down. It was like, what is happening? Why is this thing like that? What happened today was that there was news. There was news that came out and destabilized the market. And because it's their first time of seeing those crazy things happening, they were like, what is happening here? And you can see the discussion until someone that understands tells them this is what happened. Now, hopefully, if you have that opportunity, I'm telling you, please come there. Come and have fun with us. We have room maybe for 60 people. Already, we are trying to get, if we can expand it, if we can expand the additional 10 this time around. But come, because people are registering. I'm going to post the the payment details in the group chat again tonight. If you are interested, make that room. Who lost $60 today? Olamilekon. Now, where is this Olamilekon guy? This guy calls me every time, by the way. Now, let me look for him. Let me look for him. Let me look for this guy. Olamilekon, where are you? I'm going to unmute you. Where is, you are here. Have I? Okay. Olamilekon, are you there? Your network is not good. Your network is not good. Your network is not good. All right. Okay, I was trying to see if I could ask you to speak. That man calls me every time telling me the trade is taking and all those ones. But that is the interest I want you to have. The truth is that over a period of time, it might not seem perfect for you initially. Over a period of time, you will get to that level. You'll be wondering whether you will do anything, you can do anything again in your life. Like for some of us, I'll be wondering, what else will I ever do again? If it is possible for me to trade in a day and make $100 in a day, $100 will be maybe about 40,000 naira. And that might be enough to fuel the car, buy a bit of things for the family to eat. And that will, so you can come into a market with a skill that, of course, it might take a while for you to have that skill. But once you have that skill, the possibilities for you is massive. Mr. Bukola, are you there? No, you are not there. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, if tonight has been useful for you, can you just type 777? If tonight has been useful, if tonight is not a waste of time for you, type 777. I know many of you are asking questions, so I know. Unfortunately, I can't. Yes, Catio, the 2 weeks is going to be online. We've already said that one. It is going to be online, yes. In fact, as we speak, they are on right now. It's from 8 o'clock to 10 or sometime to 10:30, depending on what they are doing. It's a professional class. We have quite a lot of adult there. You know what adult education is? They do a lot of assignment there. If you come late to the class, you will stand up and raise up your hands in those classes. It's a professional class, okay? What method of training is the advanced? Okay, I think we have answered that one. Will there be another set of training? Yes, Joel, I think we have said up. Please, sir, it is online. Everybody is in this online. It's going to be online. Why is it online? We are still prevented from having physical training all over the country right now. It is still not possible. But once that is allowed, we will be touching your cities. That's what we do. We'll be touching your cities. When we are coming in, we will announce where we are going to be in New York, when we are going to be in Port Harcourt, when we are going to be in Loring, we are going to be in Abuja, and then you can have a one-on-one physical for 2 or maybe over a weekend. That's what we normally do. Right. All right. I want to appreciate all of you for your time here. You have spent your time with me. I hope I've not made the night difficult for anybody. Ruth, you can call me. You say you are not happy. Speak to me and let me see where you are not. Oh, technically, want me to come to Abia? We were in Umar where last year or early this year? Early this year. No, it can't be this year. It must have been last year. Last year. We were there late last year, 1 year for training. Don't worry, we'll be there again. All right, I want to thank all of you again. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, we are going to be having the cardinal. They just making me cardinal. We call him Bishop. Dr. Femi Raji will be with us tomorrow. He's going to take us through on some of the simple strategy. For those of you that want to quickly learn how to trade, just 1 or 2 strategy that you can use to start trading. It is not perfect yet. That strategy will just be simple ones. You will win, you will lose. You might actually lose more than you win with those ones. But it just tells you how trading is going to be, all right? So come tomorrow, come and spend 1 hour with Dr. Raji. He's a natural teacher. He's a natural teacher. He's the one taking the advanced class right now. And you can imagine if someone can be awake for 2 or 2.5 hours with him, that means it must be very interesting. Come tomorrow, come and see him. And I wish you all good night. God bless you all. Good night and see you tomorrow. Someone wants material. The material is in the video. We will post the link to this recording on the group chats. Okay? So you will pick it up there. God bless you all. Good night.